Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, starting for the Australian dollar this week is that the market is now looking back towards the top side as these indicators are slightly strengthening. The market is just taking out the level of 69.40 but heading towards the supply zone, which I see at 69.85. I am bearish from this level. I do believe the market will turn down towards the 68.85 and lower to 68 cents. We do have the RBA rate decision coming up tomorrow, and it is highly viewed that they will cut rates by 25 basis points. But it'd be more important to see what the statement indicates in how the RBA or the central bank is viewing rates in the coming months. The euro has managed to slide back into a bullish stance and now looking towards the top side of the range, which comes in at 111.85 or higher towards 112.55 to 65. As you can see from the base, it is forming now around 110.70 to 111.25 to 85. But nevertheless, the market is still poised. And the reason behind that is the fact that we did get a rejection from the dollar index at 98.00. This is the fifth time now it's rejected that level. So we could be seeing a little bit of a euro bull case coming into play, but an opportunity to shorten this market because I believe it will fail like before at 112.55.65 and look back towards the downside. Looking at the weekly chart is the fact we're getting rather oversold, but nevertheless safe haven demand is clearly on the cards after President Trump hit Mexico for a tariff of 5%. Now, this also was seen with gold. At present, I am neutral, but that being said, a break beneath 107.95 would give scope down towards 106.5. It is trending from the ADX, but we are a little bit oversold, but the MACD is comfortable to support this downside move. I clearly am, at this point, supporting sterling to rise. This is clearly a bullish pattern here that's coming through, and therefore we could see the market pop back up towards 126.70 to 127.60 or even 128.2035. I like this pattern very much so for the bullish divergence and also the fact it's nearly breaking through the midway point. So I'm in the short term a little bit on the bull side when it comes to sterling. A massive surge in gold since the rejection from 1,270, and as you can see now clearly breaking through 1,300 and now looking up towards 1,320 to 24 as a target. Any pullback should find support at this stage around 1,305. Oil plummeted 5% on Friday, and still at this stage I don't have a view. The fact is the market is just free falling, and last time we saw this was back here when the market started to free fall. But the divergence that came through and the inverse head and shoulders did give me an objective, which was reached. But nevertheless, the pattern at the moment is looking at support $52 a barrel. Beneath there would give further scope down to 50. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday reports, and I hope you enjoy the great start to this new week.